we're gonna build a blanket tent. Is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
Okay. On this part of the floor?
No, in here.
In the kitchen?
Yes.
Where do you want to put this? Right here? This is gonna be really inconvenient when I need to make lunch. Okay, let's get the tracks now. So we want to. Oh wait, we better get our blanket to put over top.
Oh.
Gray or green?
Yeah.
Gray.
This is a jack.
Okay.
It's going to go up.
It's gonna go up. No. It's going to go under.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's get the tracks.
But you have to make this.
Oh yeah, here. Let's make a little tunnel part.
Yeah.
There.
Hey.
Okay, so do you want it to just go straight in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it? Yes, it does.
I think we could probably even add another straight piece. Let's see if we can find. Oh, here's one. Here's one. Can you add that?
Yes.
Good work. Okay, great. Have the tracks just really out of the way so I can still make lunch later.
Yes, I can move in the popcorn.
I'm sure we'll find them as we keep building. We could listen for the caboose, right? 'Cause it makes music. I found it!
Hey! Yeah! And he can't get off.
Who's gonna rescue him?
No.
Uh-oh.
And everyone had to build a new shack. No, this will help.
What? That won't help.
But yeah, just some tape.
We need another block to keep that high.
Okay.
Okay, our battery died, but now it is working again. So let's give an update on our track. To get around, there's a little bridge to go over this bump. And then around this chair, we got the train wash. And Owen has decided he would like this to be a tunnel, not a dead end anymore. So, good work on that. Probably need one more straight piece at that end. And then we'll need some curves.
Yeah. Toby, stop!
Toby, oh there you are! You're coming through the tunnel.
Make them stop me!
Oh no! I'm building the track as quickly as I can, but I don't know if I'm as fast as Toby.
I'm so faster.
Hey, quick, get some more tracks then. Get some straight pieces. Here's one. Here's another one. Hurry! Popcorn factory can go there. One more. Got it. Yay, we made it go around. Okay, perfect. This is a great track. It's such a good idea you had, Owen.
Yeah, this too.
We've got a lot of snow in here today, eh?
Very big. Yeah.
How's
Here's Connor. And here's Henry.
I'm not sure. Oh, I think I see it. There it is.
That's how I do.
Yeah. Hooray! The track is finished! Just in time for Connor. Alright, so here you can go around under the bridge a couple times, train wash, back over here, under through this cool blanket tent.
No. Lots of boulders to blocks.
Oh, okay, go get some boulder blocks. Oh, it's gonna block all here. Cool. That's a great idea.
Wait, what?
So Owen has made some boulders with books. So Toby will be blocked. So this is pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, let's build a Disney shop.
Whoa, Toby, how are you gonna get out? You're blocked. Oh, here, these ones aren't on the track. You could get out this way, right? Hey, Toby. Ooh, Owen's saving you. Hooray! Wow, he hit the camera. Clear the track of cameras.